Educators, are you wondering how to incorporate sustainability and Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander perspectives into your program? I'll help you. Just watch till the end, and you will get at least three ideas on how to use plants, indigenous plants, native plants in your program. Behind me, Banksia integrifolia, or coast Banksia. It also called hairpin banks. As you can see, it looks like a little bit like those Velcro. This very significant plant. It's soft to touch. The flower looks a little bit like, I don't know, a sponge or a brush, that you brush bottles with. And it has been used by Woiwurrung people and Bunurong people, Wurundjeri people. So nectar, for example, is a sweet nectar from those flowers, traditionally sucked directly or could be soaked in water and scraped into coolamons to make a sweet drink, kind of like a bush tea or cordial. It was also used by many Aboriginal nations, including Woiwurrung people, Wurundjeri land that I'm currently on, as a hydrating tonic for long journeys. The dried Banksia cones, those ones, they are used for starting a fire to carry embers, especially in cooler or wet regions. There is a secret about this Banksia cone that I learned while attending professional development with an elder. Here is a trick. You just need to start peeling this one, and what you will find underneath this is dairy velvet that could be used in your activities with children as a brush, um, or for face painting. So these cones, they can smolder and they're quite practical for carrying fire between camps. Banksia is also a symbol of resilience because many Banksia species require bushfire and that's a symbol of rebirth. So it could be used in your ecological yarns or discussions with children. So if you think about plant, like learning about plant, there are spikes. So you can learn about the difference between the flower and the cone. And you can teach children about plant life cycle, pollination, fire ecology, so much more. Also, while the Wurundjeri people are not documented to have any specific totemic relationships with Banksia, the plant plays a vital role for the country ecology as food for birds and possums. Now, everywhere I can see galas and rainbow lorikeets and cockatoos, and they are all very happy that it's flowering season. So we also can put the magnifying glass and let children explore both, plus add leaves. We might ask, what if this flower is telling us about the land right now? What do we notice about this flower and this cone? Ask them to touch it and describe using sensory language. You can also use this for painting and printing. Add it to a water table to make your water play more engaging. And sometimes just enjoy throwing those ones around because that's how they're dropped on the ground by themselves by birds. So here there are a few ideas for you. And if you don't know how to identify plants, always use PlantSnap or some similar apps or even Google Lens if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.